Hello, and welcome to the 2014 Burkenroad Report on Cash America International Incorporated. My name is Kelly Kidwell, and my fellow analysts are Awesta Nawabi, Kai-Shi Ye, and Jay Liu. This is the third year the Burkenroad Reports have covered Cash America, and we are excited to present our report, especially in light of Cash America's recent spinoff of its e-commerce segment. We will begin our presentation with an overview of Cash America, including a discussion of the company's products and services. Then we will discuss some important recent changes to the company that will affect Cash America's financial future. We will then provide an overview of the company's industry and competitive environment. We will include an analysis of the company's shareholders before finishing with our company valuation and projections for the coming year. Cash America uses the ticker symbol CSH and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Its current stock price as of November 20th, 2014 is $25.08. The company has 28.89 million shares outstanding and has a total market capitalization of $727.95 million. Cash America is headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas, and is part of the alternative financial services industry. The company operates in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Brazil, and China. Our team of analysts predict a one-year target price of $33, meaning the stock will outperform the market. Cash America's main sources of revenue come from pawn loans and retail. The company offers short-term loans to those in need of fast cash, with personal property used as collateral. If the company does not collect on a loan, it disposes of the collateral as merchandise through its retail segment. Cash America operates its pawn business through brick-and-mortar storefront locations. As the largest pawn operator in the United States, the company has 863 retail lending locations in the United States alone. Some important recent changes to the company will affect Cash America's financial future, specifically strategic market exits and store closures, storefront acquisitions, and the spin-off of Cash America's e-commerce segment, Enova. In December of 2013, Cash America closed 36 retail service locations in Texas due to changes in city ordinances that made operations less profitable. In August of 2014, the company sold 47 pawn lending locations in Mexico, ceasing the company's operations in the country. They also sold 5 pawn lending locations in Colorado. The company decided that continuing operations in these locations was not strategically effective. In December of 2013, the company completed the cash-only acquisition of 34 pawn lending locations in Georgia and North Carolina from PawnMart Incorporated, bringing Cash America's total presence to 48 locations in Georgia and 20 locations in North Carolina. The most important recent change to Cash America is the company's recent spinoff of its e-commerce segment. In November of 2014, Cash America completed the spinoff of its e-commerce segment, Enova. The reorganization of the company was a tax-free transaction in which newly created Enova shares were distributed to Cash America's shareholders. The spin-off substantially reduced Cash America's share price. It also reduced the company's regulatory risk and short-term income. This spin-off allows Cash America to refocus on its main industry, pawn lending, and achieve maximum value for its shareholders. Cash America is part of the alternative financial services industry, which includes pawn loans, payday loans, and cash advances. The industry is highly fragmented, as most pawn shops are owned individually. The industry is subject to licensing restrictions by state, as well as local zoning regulations and federal lending laws. The growth of the industry has a strong correlation with the price of gold. Cash America's main pawn competitors are Easy Corp Incorporated and First Cash Financial Services Incorporated. World Acceptance Corporation is its main competitor in payday and installment loans. Of its competitors, Cash America has the second largest market capitalization. It is trading at the lowest price to book value ratio and the second lowest price to equity ratio. It has the second lowest debt to equity ratio and return on equity. Because Cash America's recent quarterly earnings have been stable, the company's low price to earnings ratio may be an indication that its stock is undervalued. In relation to its peers, Cash America has the lowest enterprise value to earnings before income taxes, depreciation, and amortization, which is further indication that the company may be undervalued. It is the only company in this list that pays a consistent dividend. Cash America has 28.89 million shares outstanding. The top 10 institutional investors in Cash America collectively own 58% of Cash America's outstanding shares. The top 5 individual investors in Cash America collectively own 1.94% of Cash America's outstanding shares. We have predicted a 1-year target price of $33 for Cash America. We used a discounted cash flow method using predicted future cash flows and a price to earnings relative multiples valuation to reach our target share price. Our team has made the following projections for Cash America's financial future. We predict that the spinoff of Enova will allow the company to focus more on its pawn business and unlock value for shareholders. The de-emphasis of consumer loans will decrease regulatory risk and short-term revenue for the company, while the pawn business will continue to provide stable revenue with slow growth. Because the pawn business has very slow growth, Cash America's future growth will depend on its strategy of acquiring its small competitors. Cash America's pawn business may decrease due to declining gold prices. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video presentation on Cash America. For more information on the Burkenroad reports, visit www.burkenroad.org. The Burkenroad reports are produced solely as an educational program of Tulane University A.B. Freeman School of Business. These reports are not investment advice, and investors should not rely on them to make an investment decision. Consult an investing professional and/or conduct your own primary research before making any investment decision.